Money transfer has become a crucial financial activity that keeps the financial industry turning. Having a basic understanding on how money transfer services work is crucial for maintaining a good financial stability and thereby managing your funds in a more flexible way. Companies like PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, NetSpend, among others, offer the best money transfer services nowadays. Hello everyone, and welcome to our money transfer series. In this episode, I'll show you how to transfer money from Chime to PayPal. So stick around as we'll be back after the intro. Chime works with PayPal, but not directly. This means you cannot transfer money directly between the two platforms since they do not integrate. However, you can transfer funds from Chime to PayPal through the Chime routing and account numbers or through a linked bank account. Chime offers a routing and account number that is unique to each customer, allowing them to transfer funds from one account to the next. You can use your Chime routing and account numbers to link your Chime account to PayPal as a bank and transfer funds. To do so, find your Chime routing and account numbers. The steps to finding your Chime routing and account numbers are in the video description. Now, log into your PayPal account and go to Wallet, then link a bank. Next, enter your Chime account details, including its routing and account numbers. Once you're sure everything is okay, click on the Agree and Link button. Now that you've linked your Chime account as a bank on PayPal, it's time to transfer funds from PayPal to Chime. To do so, go to the Wallet section from your PayPal dashboard, tap Transfer Money. Next, tap Add Money to your balance. Now, select your bank and enter the amount you want to transfer. Finally, tap Add to initiate the transfer. If you have a bank account that's linked to both your Chime and PayPal account, you can use it as a bridge to transfer funds from Chime to PayPal. To do so, log into your Chime app. Next, select Move Money. From there, select Transfers. When you are prompted, enter the login credentials for your other bank or external account. Once the funds arrive your bank account, you should be able to add them to your PayPal balance. To do so, tap Add Money beside your balance in the PayPal app. Next, select from your bank or debit card. Now, enter the amount you want to add. Choose either in seconds with debit or in 3 to 5 days with your bank, depending on how fast you want your funds available to use. That's how you get to transfer money from Chime to PayPal. We have come to the end of our video. Check the video description to learn more about the process. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, like, and tap the notification bell icon for our latest money transfer guides. I see you in the next episode.